So if you are living with a narcissist, how do you deal with them when you know that this is a narcissist and narcissist is constantly, or your partner is constantly putting you down, for instance,
Yeah, the
no matter what
criticism.
you do, no matter what you do, you're always wrong, how do you deal with that?
Yes.
How do you put a stop to that?
Well, I think ultimately you really do need to seek help with somebody who's informed in narcissistic abuse recovery. And that'll help you so much because you need to get a point where you're strong enough to even carry out the tactics that we hear all the time. Like if you watch Dr. Romney or me or anybody else on YouTube talking about it, one of the first things that will tell you to do is to stop engaging. So you stop getting into that argument. But that's not an easy thing to do when you're feeling so weakened, when you have so little energy available to yourself that you're sick, you feel awful all the time, you're depressed. In many cases, people become suicidal because they're just like, they feel like they're at the end of their ropes with this kind of treatment day in and day out for years. So getting to a place where you get strong enough to be able to stop engaging. The consequences usually when you first stop arguing with them are they keep pushing you more and more and more and more to try to get that same response because they're looking for your energy. They want it. But when you stop doing it, eventually they stop using you as a source of their supply. So don't engage. Focus on yourself.
Mhm.
Do things to help you. Do things that you love that will help you feel more empowered, that help you feel more connected. A lot of times, a narcissist will completely isolate you from other people in your life. They do this, they divide people all the time. That's like one of their superpowers is dividing everybody so that you can't be with people who might help you. And so when you start reaching out, you can start reaching out online to people that can help you in online support groups and start learning from them, like, hey, what can I do? Start watching videos like on my YouTube channel and start learning from me things that you can do to help you get through this experience. You have to give up the idea that there's nothing you can do. They want you to feel like there's no place to go, nothing I can do, because then they've got you, they've got control of you, and that's what they want. And so when you start to take your healing into your own hands and learning things that you can do to help yourself, the game totally changes for you.